Hello everyone, this is Sapience Education. I am going to solve question number 3.22. So let us discuss this question. Question is an aircraft. An aircraft is flying at a height of 3400 meter above the ground. If the angle subtended at the ground observation point by the aircraft is position 10 seconds apart is 30 degree. What is the speed of an aircraft? So try to understand that there is an aircraft, right? There is an aircraft. So let us suppose there is an aircraft at this position. Got it? And it is at a height of 3400 meter from the ground. So let us take this height as 3400 meter, right? So this is the height of the ground, right? Height from the ground. An aeroplane is flying from one point, let us suppose P, to a point Q. So this aeroplane reaches at a point Q, right? And the time required to reach from P to Q is 10 second, right? 10 second. Time required to reach from P to Q is 10 second. And what they are saying, the question, if you will observe, that they are saying that the aircraft position 10 second apart is 30 degree. So the ground observation. So when you observe it from the ground, so let us take, when you observe, so let us suppose you are observing from the ground, right? You are observing from the grounds. So the ground observer make an angle of 30 degree for this movement. So let us take this one. So this whole angle will be 30 degree, right? This whole angle will be 30 degree. So it means this part will be 15 degree, right? What is the speed of the aircraft? So speed of the aircraft. So when you try to find out the speed of the aircraft, so speed is equal to distance divided by time, right? So the distance covered will be how much? So we need to find out distance covered, that is equal to PQ divided by time. Since they have provided you time as a 10 second, because it takes aeroplane takes a time is equal to 10 second to reach at a Q. So time they have given you as a 10 second, right? So if they have provided you time as a 10 second, so we need to find out PQ, right? So let us find out PQ then. Okay, so by geometry, so let us use the geometrical concept to find out the time, right? So if you observe the geometrical concept, so let us suppose this is P, this is Q, and this is R, right? And let us suppose this is O, right? So when you observe this one, so this is a right angle triangle, right? So can we write here in triangle P R PRO or PRO 10-15 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, that is equal to PR by OR, and this OR distance, this OR is the height from the ground. See here, this OR, so because this is the lowest position, so OR is the height of the ground. So this will be PR divided by 3400. So from here what we can get PR is equal to 3400 into 10-15 degree, right? So 10-15 degree. So we have got PR. Now the total distance traveled by the aircraft will be how much? Total distance traveled by aircraft, right? Aircraft by aircraft. So this will be 2 times of PR. Why 2 times of PR? So try to understand this one. So this is PR and this is RQ. So PR and RQ both are equal. If you observe this one, so both are similar triangles. So we can write here PR plus QR, and that is equal to 2 times of the PR. Okay. So now we can get the total distance. So let us find out total distance. So total distance will be is equal to 2 times of the PR, right? So this will be 2 times of the PR. So PR is 3400 into 10-15. So this will be 2 times of 3400 into 10 15 degree. Now what is the value of 10 15 degree? So let me tell you that the value of 10 15 degree will be approximately 0.26, and if you multiply this one, so you will get 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, so this will be 6800 into 0.26. When we will calculate this, so I will get at A182 2.4 meter. Now we have got total distance traveled, right? Distance, we have got the distance. Now what we need to find is speed of the aircraft. So time we have already got, within 10 seconds it has traveled, right? Within 10 seconds. When you observe this one, so the aeroplane will move from P to Q at a distance of how much? 10 seconds. So the speed of an aircraft will be speed of aircraft is equal to distance by time, right? So the distance is 182.4 divided by 10. So finally speed is equal to, or velocity is equal to 182.4 meter per second. Thanks for watching video.